Привет everyone, and take a look at this little beauty. Yes, there is one of the last Olympus film SLR camera. It has a zoom lens, pretty dark, but wide and tele possible. Aperture, вот. Aperture numbers we see here. There is a 4.5 and 5.6. That is pretty dark for me, but you got to understand it's because of zoom nature of this lens. Okay, let's see what we have here. Some buttons, yes, if you English speaker, because you understand that there is a spot metering regime. It means your frame will be exposed as a point in the center of frame. Next one, flash button. It's change flash regime when you activate it by this button. Yeah, if you switch it on, you can release your flash moving this button some further. As we see, there is a high power twin flash, which means this is not just a flash, this is a flash with two regimes. One of it when you need wide regime of your lens, and second of it for tele regime. Here is simple screen that show you which one regime you choose, and I suppose everything is clear for everyone. There is a full auto, there is a portrait, there is a maximum speed of shutter, there is a regime for a night, for the low light, and there is a landscape regime. But if you choose one of it and touch this one button, it's automatically automatically one of regime switch it off. Why? Because this button made switch regime to aperture priority. You can choose your aperture with it, and there is a one of main regime in processing of shooting. Of course, there is a every one of you understand why for what purposes you need this one button. Yes. You hear. And of course regime to auto release, but as a S. I'm sorry. We see here that camera need distance control for release the shutter, and we have no this part, so we can use this regime, this function, whatever. The last one button you need at this camera, button 2, roll back your film. Okay, so made in Japan at the late 19th of 20th century, since Jesus Christ was born. You need two cells CR123A types. It's 3 volt everyone. 2 of it you load as you see here. The first one got to be with the plus to you, toward you, and second one here got to be minus side to you, and it has to work. Already forget the thing that I haven't seen in YouTube or internet. It's possibility to correct your exposure mode. I think it's so underestimate. Yes, I think there is a good function. It has to be everywhere to have a possibility change your exposure to for plus or minus, less or more, if you have some idea, or if you use old film. Yes, you need to expose it more that it was invented. And of course there is a button to choose your focal length. Yes, of course. So I bought it about less than $20, and I think there is a brilliant price for this so quality thing, so quality little one, because it feels really nice. It made with plastic, but it's pretty it's not so light as it seems. Yes, you feel in your hand really good and really quality things. So I think $20 for this one, it's absolutely cheap, and I wait when I load film roll and try it finally.